Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your project assets and placing clips on the timeline. Make sure audio waveforms are visible so you can spot gaps. Once done, duplicate the original audio track as a safety copy. This protects you from irreversible changes. Next, zoom into the timeline. 1/4 or 1/8 view gives precise control over tiny silence segments. You will also enable snapping to align edits. These steps make the following cuts faster and prevent accidental misalignment as you begin removing gaps. You now locate silence by scanning waveforms for flat lines between peaks. Mark both the start and end of each gap. Then, use the razor tool to split at those precise points and delete the silent segment you just isolated. Once deleted, use Ripple Delete to automatically pull subsequent audio together, or manually drag clips to close the space if you need frame-accurate timing. Make sure to scrub playback after each edit so you can hear transitions and confirm synchronization with the video. You finish by smoothing every cut so removals are invisible. Add very short crossfades, 4 to 12 milliseconds, at edit points to eliminate pops and clicks. Once transitions are set, normalize levels or manually match gain so volume stays consistent across joins. Apply noise reduction only when necessary because it can introduce artifacts. Finally, export a short test clip and listen on multiple playback devices. If you hear glitches, revert to your duplicated track and adjust the crossfade length or trimming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.